Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online maths classroom. Okay, now we are discussing the lesson integers, isn't it? In that we have completed our first session and let's move on to the second session of the lesson integers. And thus, we are going to discuss the operations on integers. Okay, which are the operations in mathematics? Which are the operations in mathematics? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, isn't it? Okay, in this session, let's discuss these operations one by one. Okay, before writing, let me ask one more thing. We have learned about integers. Okay, while adding two integers, which are the, now don't write, just listen. While adding two integers, which are the possibilities? Two integers may be positive. This is one possibility, isn't it? While adding two integers, we know there are negative integers and positive integers. So, while adding two integers, which are the possibilities? Two may be, yes, both integers may be positive. And what is the second possibility? One is positive and other is negative. This is the second possibility, isn't it? One is positive and other is negative. And one is negative and other is positive. Both are same. These two are same, isn't it? So, second possibility is one is positive and other is negative. And what is the third possibility? Both are negative. This is the third possibility. Both are negative. Okay. So, we have to discuss, while discussing the rule for adding integers, we have to discuss these three cases separately. So, today just write the notes and it will be explained in detail in the coming class. Okay, just write. Before start writing, mention date and day on the upper portion of your margin, as I have been saying always. Okay, the heading is operations on integers, and thus first one is addition of integers. Addition of integers. Within bracket, please write rule for adding integers. Rule for adding two integers. Rule for adding two integers. Okay, let's write the first case. What is the first case? Rule A. First write down rule A within bracket when both integers are positive. As I said earlier, it will be explained in detail. Just write the rules now. Rule A. When both the integers are positive. Both the integers are positive. When both the integers are positive. When both the integers are positive, the rule is add and give positive sign. Just add and give positive sign. So, what is the rule? When both the integers are positive, what is the rule? Just add and give positive sign. Let's when both are positive, add and give positive sign. Let's try some easy examples. That means plus 1 is one integer. Plus 3. Here, what about two integers? Are they positive? Yeah, both are positive. So what we have to do here? Add and give positive sign. Add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. And give sign plus. Plus 4. Okay. Next, plus 2 plus 5. What is the rule? Both are positive. So what is the rule? Add and give positive sign. 5 plus 2, 7 and sign positive. So plus 7. Okay. All this will be explained in detail later. So don't worry. I have just written the example. That's all. So this is our first case when both integers are positive. And let's discuss the second case. Rule B. When both integers are negative, the rule is, here we have discussed the case when both integers are positive. And next we have the case when both integers are negative. Just write, when both integers are negative, rule B. Rule B. When both the integers are negative, what will be the rule? Can you say? Can you guess what will be the rule? We have discussed earlier that when both the integers are positive, the rule is add and give positive sign. So what will be the rule when both the integers are negative? Yeah, the rule is, what will be the rule? Add and give, yes, negative sign. The rule is, when both the integers are negative, the rule is just add and give negative sign. Okay, what is the rule? Just add and give negative sign. Let's discuss some examples. -1 plus -3. Okay. Which are the integers here? First integer is -1 and second integer is -3. Are they positive or negative? Both are negative. So what we have to do? Add them. 3 plus 1, 4 and give sign -4. -4. Is it clear? Why? Here both are negative. So the rule is just add and give negatives. And these rules are very, very important. Otherwise, we won't be able to do the problems of this session. What is the rule? If both the integers are negative, just add and give this sign. Yes, negative sign. So one more, -2 plus -6. What is the rule? Add and give minus sign. Why? Both the integers are negative. So what is the rule? Add and give minus sign. -2 plus -6. 2 plus 6, 8. And sign is what? Minus. Sign is very important. -8. Okay. Next. So we have discussed the second case. And what about third case? Here one more case should be there. 0 plus any number that need not. Right. We will discuss the case of 0 later. 0 plus any number is 0. That we all know. Even if it is positive or negative, no problem. 0 plus any number is 0 always. Okay. Next. Rule C. Rule C. This is very, very important rule. Rule C. When one integer is positive and the other is negative. When one integer is positive and the other is negative. So the negative, the rule is, first write and after that I will explain. When one integer is positive and the other is negative, the rule is magnitude of the number having greater magnitude minus number having smaller magnitude with the sign of number having greater magnitude. That is the rule. Very important. You please write in detail. I will explain surely. Just write the rule. Okay, write the rule. Magnitude of the rule is magnitude of the number of the integer having greater magnitude, magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of the magnitude, this is having, okay, minus, the rule is very, very important, minus magnitude of the number having smaller magnitude. Magnitude of the number having smaller magnitude. The coming one is very, very important, with the sign of number having greater magnitude. With the sign of number having greater magnitude. Greater magnitude. With the sign of number having greater magnitude. Okay. What is the rule? Magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of the integer, not number. Magnitude of the integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. Integer having, with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. What is the meaning of this rule? Any idea? The rule is magnitude of the very, very important rule. Very important. Sorry. Please drop this. Don't draw this line. Okay, it happens so. The magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of the integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. This is the rule. Very, very important. You should be thorough with this. By heart it. Otherwise, no way to do the problems. Very, very important rule. Let me explain once. Once we have written, I think all have completed the rule, and let me explain. Don't write, just listen here. What is given in the rule? The rule for adding two integers having opposite sign. That means one is positive and other is negative. The rule is magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of the integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. This is what they have given. So suppose we have to add plus 9 plus minus 5. Don't write, just listen here. Don't write, just listen. So, are they having the same sign or different sign? Are they having the same sign or different sign? What is the sign of plus 9? Plus. What is the sign of minus 5? Minus. Are they same? No. So, these are two integers having opposite sign, or these are two integers in which one is positive and other one is negative. So, the rule is magnitude of number having greater magnitude. Which is the number having greater magnitude here? Which is the number having greater magnitude? What is the meaning of magnitude? What is meant by magnitude? Without sign, the value of the integer is known as magnitude. So, magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude means what? Without sign, which one is greater? That we have to consider. So, let's consider the magnitudes of two integers. What is the magnitude of plus 9? Yes, 9. What is the magnitude of minus 5? 5, isn't it? So, which is the number having greater magnitude? Surely, plus 9 is the number having greater magnitude. And what is its magnitude? 9. So, what is the rule? The magnitude of the number having greater magnitude. Which is the magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude here? Greater magnitude integer is 9 plus 9, and its magnitude is what? 9, isn't it? So, magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude means what we have to do? 9. In the answer, what we have to do? 9 equal to 9 has to be written first. Why? Magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude should be written first. Among these two integers, which is the integer having greater magnitude? Plus 9 is the integer having greater magnitude, and its magnitude is what? 9. Minus, in the rule it is written minus magnitude of the integer having smaller magnitude. Which is the integer having smaller magnitude here? Minus 5. Which is the integer having smaller magnitude here? Minus 5. And what is the magnitude of minus 5? We obtained it as 5. 5. So, we obtained it as 5. Isn't it? We have obtained it as 5. And what is the sign of this answer? And that is also important. What is the sign of this answer? Plus or minus? With the sign of integer having greater magnitude. With the sign of integer having greater magnitude. What is the sign of the integer having greater magnitude? Here, which is the integer having greater magnitude? Plus 9 is the integer having greater magnitude. And what is the sign of plus 9? Plus. So, the sign of the answer is also should be plus. Equal to plus 9 minus 5, 4. What is the answer? Plus 4 is the answer. Is it clear? What is the rule? When two integers are of opposite sign, or when two integers, among two integers, one is positive and other is negative, what is the rule? Magnitude of the number having greater magnitude minus magnitude of the number having smaller magnitude with the sign of number having greater magnitude. That is, greater magnitude number minus smaller magnitude number with the sign of number having greater magnitude. Or in other words, don't write, just listen. Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude, like that we can write, okay? Or the rule, please write the rule once again, then we shall write the examples. Or, very important, or when two integers are of opposite sign, the rule is when two integers are of opposite sign, the rule is, okay, write down. Please write down, very, very important. What is the sign this? What sign is this? Sorry. Pardon me. Okay. Magnitude of this sign is magnitude signs. Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude. Integer having greater magnitude clear. What we have to do? We have to take the magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude. We have to take the greater magnitude integer and its magnitude. Magnitude. This sign means what is the meaning of this symbol? It reads as magnitude. Okay, magnitude of integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude. Please write it as magnitude. Here no space, that's why. Okay. Magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude. What is the rule? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude. This is magnitude. Okay, please correct it as magnitude. Write it as magnitude. I have no space here. With the sign of integer having greater magnitude. With the sign of integer having greater magnitude. This is the rule. Very, very important rule. Don't draw this line. Sometimes problem is always happening with this board. The rule is very important. What is the rule? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. That is the rule. Okay. Let us discuss some examples of the addition of integers having opposite sign. Sorry. Okay, example 1 plus 9 plus minus 5. This we have to do. So what is the rule? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude. What is the integer having greater magnitude here? What is the integer having greater magnitude here? What is the magnitude of plus 9? Magnitude of plus 9 is what? 9. What is the magnitude of minus 5? 5. So which is greater? Plus 9 is greater. So magnitude of plus 9 minus magnitude of minus 5, isn't it? Minus 5 is the integer having smaller magnitude. And with the sign of the answer is what? With the sign of the integer having greater magnitude. What is the sign of the integer having greater magnitude here? Which is the integer having greater magnitude here? Plus 9. And what is the sign of plus 9? Plus. So what is the sign of the answer? Answer also should have the sign plus. So plus. Okay. Within bracket. Magnitude of plus 9 is 9. We know, isn't it? Magnitude of minus 5 is 5. And what is the answer? 9 minus 5? 4. Plus 4. 4 need not write inside the bracket. So no operations there. Now 4 is a single integer. So no need to write the bracket there. So what is the answer? Plus 4 is the answer. Have you understood how we got it? What is the rule for adding two integers having opposite sign, or if one is positive and the other is negative, what we have to do? Magnitude of the integer having greater magnitude. Here which are the two integers? Plus 9 and minus 5 are the two integers here. Plus 9 and minus 5 are the numbers, integers to be added here. Two integers are plus 9 and minus 5. So, what is the rule for adding two integers having opposite sign? First, magnitude of integer having greater magnitude. Which is the integer having greater magnitude here? Plus 9. And its magnitude is 9, isn't it? So, what we have to do? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude. That means magnitude of plus 9 minus. The rule is that magnitude of integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of number integer having greater magnitude, that is plus. Is it clear? Okay. Let's discuss example 2. Example 2. In this, smaller numbers enough, integers enough in the first session. Minus 5 plus 2. So here which are the two integers for adding? Which are the two integers to be added? Minus 5 and plus 2. Here, are they of same sign or opposite sign? Surely we know minus 5 is a negative integer and plus 2 is a positive integer. So both are having opposite signs, isn't it? So what is the rule for adding two integers having opposite sign? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude. Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. With the sign of the answer will be the sign of the integer having greater magnitude. Sign of the integer having greater magnitude. Here, what is the integer having greater magnitude? What is the magnitude of minus 5? What is the magnitude of minus 5? What is the magnitude of minus 5? 5, isn't it? Magnitude of minus 5 is 5. We all know, isn't it? What is the magnitude of minus 2 plus 2? Is 2. Magnitude of minus 5 is 5 and magnitude of plus 2 is 2. So, which is the integer having greater magnitude? Which is the integer having greater magnitude? Minus 5 is the integer having greater magnitude. So, that is to be written first. Isn't it? As per the rule, magnitude of integer having greater magnitude, that means magnitude of minus 5 minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude. Which is the integer having smaller magnitude here? Plus 2 is the integer having smaller magnitude. So, magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. Minus 5 and plus 2 are the two given integers. Among these, which is the sign of integer having greater magnitude? Which is the integer having greater magnitude here? Minus 5 is the integer having greater magnitude. And what is the sign of minus 5? Minus. Minus is the sign of minus 5. And so, minus should be the sign of the answer. The sign of the answer should be minus. Is it clear? Why we have put minus here? Because the answer sign should be the sign of the integer having greater magnitude. Answer sign should be the sign of the integer having greater magnitude. Here minus 5 is the integer having greater magnitude and sign of minus 5 is minus. So minus should be the sign of the answer. So what is the answer here? Minus. Magnitude of minus 5 is what? 5, isn't it? Minus magnitude of plus 2 is what? 2. So what is the answer? Minus. So 5 minus 3 means 5 minus 2 means 3. Minus 3 is the final answer. Is it clear? What is the rule for adding two integers having opposite sign? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude with the sign of integer having greater magnitude. So sign of the answer should be the sign of the integer having greater magnitude. Is it clear? Sign of the answer should be sign of the integer having greater magnitude. Okay. Let's discuss example 3. One minute. Third example. The integers are minus 7 plus 3. Okay. What is the rule? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude. What is the integer having greater magnitude here? Minus 7 or plus 3. Magnitude only need to consider. Which is the integer having greater magnitude? Surely minus 7. So, what we have to do? Magnitude of integer having greater magnitude minus magnitude of integer having smaller magnitude is what? Plus 3, isn't it? With the sign, what is the sign of the answer? Sign of the answer should be the sign of the integer having greater magnitude. So, two integers are minus 7 and plus 3 here. Which is the integer having greater magnitude here? Minus 7 is the integer having greater magnitude, and the sign of this is what? And sign of this minus 7 is minus, isn't it? So, sign of the answer should be minus, isn't it? Minus, modulus of or magnitude of minus 7 is 7, minus magnitude of plus 3 is 3, and here what is the answer? Minus 7 minus 3, 4. Minus 4 is the required answer. Okay. All this will be explained in detail later, or in the coming class it will be explained. Try to learn the rules today itself, otherwise you won't be able to do the problems. Okay. Thank you.